All right, buddy. All right, see ya. Oh, hey guys. Just got off the phone with a customer of ours. His trailer was stolen 3 years ago, and he was driving through town. He noticed it being pulled in front of him. He followed it, hopped out of his car at a stoplight, and put the tracker on the chassis of his stolen dump trailer. It was driven 2 hours away, picked up signal 3 days later in the boonies. It pulled into a gas station. He called the cops, and the cops helped him recover it. This is a quote straight from our customer. He said, "One of the luckier and cooler things I've ever done. Thanks to your GPS trackers, I was able to get my trailer back. It saved me from a lot of heartache." He's not a very big business, so every little thing matters. It's just a crazy story, guys, but it's just another story to remind you that the only way he was able to recover it was with a GPS tracker. Hats off to him. I'm glad we were able to help, and I just thought, I would share the story and show you my cool fish. Call me at 480-604-5448. My name's Austin. If you need any information or any help with anything, I'm here for you.